Hey, I want to give a quick shout out to Jordan Mackey for about his YouTube course. It was the beginning of COVID-19, and we were all starting to self quarantine ourselves, and I had realized I had a lot of time on my hands, and I was gonna learn something new. Decided it was going to be YouTube. Looked into some stuff. Decided I would buy Jordan's course, and honestly, it's a great course. I mean, I knew absolutely nothing going into it other than how to watch a YouTube video, and I knew nothing about SEO. I had never uploaded a video, nothing about thumbnails, nothing about any of the strategies. But within 2 months, I had a monetized YouTube channel, so that was pretty cool. It could have been faster, but it was my fault that it wasn't faster because I went through the course once just watching it, and then the second time I went through I started implementing the activities, so it took a little longer for me, but that's still, I think, 2 months from start to a monetized channel is real quick. I think there's more expensive courses out there, but I can't imagine that they're gonna have more you know, information in it than this course does. I mean, the value is just outstanding. And one of the cool things about this course too is it also contains a Facebook group, a private Facebook group, and it's an active group. Like, I've posted questions in that group and gotten a response, multiple responses within an hour or so, and that's cool, you know. And Jordan's himself is in the Facebook group. I've had him respond to questions that I've asked in there too. So couldn't recommend the course more. Jordan, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it.